Good morning, grade 3. How are you all doing today? Hope you all are doing good. Today in AVS, we'll start with new lesson. Chapter 4, Skeletal System. In this lesson, we will learn about the skeletal system, the functions of the skeletal system, keeping our bones healthy, and the skeletal system in animals. Let's learn about the skeletal system and the parts of the skeletal system. Let's put our thinking caps. Asif fell while cycling. He hurt his leg. His mother took him to the doctor. The doctor asked them to get an X-ray picture of the leg. Do you know what an X-ray picture tells us? Okay, so he was riding cycle and he fell down. So his mama took him to doctor, and what did the doctor told? To take an X-ray. Can you see in the picture how does an X-ray look? So why do you think, children, X-ray is needed? Because even if there is a minute breakage of bone or any ligament, it can be made out through the X-ray. That is the reason X-ray is taken. Let's understand some important facts. At birth, we have around 300 bones. Okay, as we grow, some bones fuse and join. Adults have got how many bones? 206 bones. Joints are places where two bones meet. What is the place where two bones meet called as? Joints. For example, when you touch your knee or when you touch your elbow, can you see two bones joining? That is called as joints. It's said that monkeys and humans have got similar skeletal system. Okay. Now, hold your wrist. Do you feel something hard inside it? It is bone, and our body has got many bones. How many bones does the adult has? 206 bones. All the bones in our body together form the skeletal system. Okay, all the bones will together form the skeletal system. Can you see in the picture the skeleton? Okay, that is the human skeleton picture. The three important parts of the skeletal system are skull, ribs, backbone or vertebrae. Which are the three important parts? Skull, ribs, backbone or vertebrae. Let's learn about skull. Bones in the head form the skull. Okay, all the bones in the head form the skull. The skull is a collection of bones which encase the brain and give form to the head and face. The bony framework enclosing the brain and supporting the face. Okay, so what is there inside the skull? Is our brain. Okay, and because of the shape of skull, we get a face. Our face gets a shape. Clear, everybody? So bones in the head form the skull. All the bones of the head form the skull. Ribs. Bones around the chest form the ribs. Can you see in the picture? Bones around the chest form the ribs. And what is there inside the chest? We learned in the previous class. Yes, it's lungs and heart. And what is there inside the skull? It's our brain sitting there. Clear? So, bones around the chest form the ribs. The ribs join in the front and back to form a rib cage. Okay, it's not only on the front side but also on the back side also. The ribs join together to form a rib cage. Clear? It's like a cage, and inside that cage is our precious organ sitting, that is actually protecting those internal organs. Clear, children? Backbone. Many small bones join to form a rod-like structure called the backbone. There are many small bones which join together to form a rod. We know, no, rod, like a stick or anything which is straight, okay, structure called as backbone. It connects the neck to the lower back of our body, okay, from the neck till the end, okay, is connected through the backbone. Clear? And inside this we had learned in the previous class, right? Remember what is there? Spinal cord. Okay, it's like you learn in grade 4 or 5, okay? So inside that is the spinal cord, okay, which is connected through brain, which we don't need now. All you need to understand is these small bones join together to form a rod like structure called the backbone, and it will connect the neck to the lower back of our body. Now this backbone is also called as vertebrae. So the skeletal system is made up of bones, and the three important parts of the skeletal system are the skull, the rib cage or the ribs, and backbone or the vertebrae. So in today's class we learnt adults have got how many bones? 206 bones. Joints are places where two bones meet. Yeah, where two bones meet. Example, ankle or knee. No, not ankle and knee. Example, knee and elbow. Clear? Then all the bones in our body together form the skeletal system. And the three important parts of skeletal system are skull, ribs and backbone. Skull, bones in the head form the skull. Ribs, bones around the chest form the ribs, and it is connected front and back together to form a rib cage. And backbone, many small bones joined together to form a rod like structure called the backbone. It is also called as vertebrae. Thank you class. Have a nice day.